Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can enable the developer options here at the Xiaomi 15T. For that we will need the settings for. So just tap here the settings. Then we will need the first point about phone. And here we will need the third point OS version. And we will have to tap this OS version now for 7 times. Below you can see already a countdown. By the way, it doesn't matter if you tap more than 7 times now, and we are a developer now for the phone. But where to find out the developer options? For that, just tap here on the back button to be back here at the general settings. Now we need to scroll down to the point additional settings, and almost at the end of the list we will find now here the developer options. Yeah, now you can do the stuff you wanted to do, maybe to enable the stay awake mode, audio, USB-Debugging, and much more. Yeah, if you're ready with the stuff you wanted to do, you can also disable them here on top, the developer options like that. And they're no more there. But you can always enable it again if you tap 7 times on the OS version number, as I have shown you before. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.